will be a video on a 2016 Dodge Ram 2500 turbo diesel 4-door long bed. It's gonna have a gooseneck hitch in the back, regular tow hitch in the back, receiver, and the scuff right there. Pretty straight other than that. Tires look good. Paint's nice. Let's take a look inside. Start it up. 170,000 miles. Not too bad. Let's see. It's gonna have a, looks like the edge chip attitude. 170,000. All right, let's move her out. Forward, reverse. Feels good. It's got that little deal blinking. That is the, let's see, let's go back to message. We got service tire and left rear turn signal. So that's what that thing is trying to blink and say. So other than that, good to go. Feels pretty decent. 170,000. It's got a lot of life left. So come check her out. See what you think. March 31st, 9 to 4. See you there.